What's your name, sir?
Sihlangu Dlodlo.
You work with Cont and you did a lot of productions. You're an artist yourself, despite being a businessman and all that. What can you say about the late Cont?
Cont was an amazing man to work with. Cont was a visionary. Cont had the ability to identify talent in people and place people in their correct places where they would be most effective. But most importantly, Cont was able to dream and dream in long term and have steps and measures to achieve those dreams. I remember when Amakhosi started in 1982, already Cont was talking about Amakhosi owning a television station, and we all thought he was dreaming. I thought, he's just dreaming. And Cont would talk about Apollo Theater in America, that Apollo Theater is made up by artists, and they are just artists like me and you. But at that time, it was like a pie in the sky. It was something that was like unimaginable. But today, Cont has been working on Kiona TV. After Sky's Metro radio station and Breeze have been licensed, that means that dream that he spoke about 40 years ago, he worked tirelessly and he achieved it. The day he was taken ill, he was coming from the Kiona offices. That's when he got home and he collapsed. So it was a bit of being unwell and a lot of overworking because he wanted to achieve this dream. Cont believed that art needs two things: a production house, a place that it can call its own home, and a market where these things can then be monetized. This is the reason why when we started Amakhosi, we started with an in-house training program which we called Amakhosi Performing Arts Workshop. This program was a workshop at that time because we were dealing with people who were more on the academically weak side. So it was more of practical, using talent to drive the arts. As we grew, we started engaging people from universities, from colleges, who were academically strong, bringing them for training, where we were saying, we've got the talent and the practical experience, you've got the academic ingenuity. Let's meet in the center and we teach you how to use this to create the creative and cultural industry, which is viable. We started building this industry in that manner. When Cont died, we were just in the final stages of creating a diploma, which we called the Creative and Cultural Industries Diploma. We've done all the modules, all the paperwork is done. What was just left is to get registration with the ministry and to kick it off. So this was the dream, to say, let's come up with a production house where things can be produced at a professional level, at a global standard. Once those things are produced, we then take them to a radio station. We take them to a television station, because that's where the market is. So that dream is not completely fulfilled because Kiona has not launched. But we're clear that Kiona TV, a product of Cont's ingenuity, has been licensed. It's just ready to take off.